Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Ableton and Pro Tools, and I will help you to decide which one is better for music production in 2025. So let's start with Ableton Live. Ableton Live is a favorite among electronic music producers such as DJs and loop-based artists. It is known for its unique session view, live performance features, and MIDI capabilities. Pro Tools, on the other hand, is considered the industry standard for studio recording, film scoring, and audio engineering. It is used by professionals for mixing, mastering, and large scale production. So let's break this both down. Number one, their workflow and interface. Ableton has a clean, fast, and focused on creativity, while Pro Tools is traditional with a track-based layout which is better for and suited for engineers and editors. Number 2, audio recording and editing. Pro Tools shines in this category because it has multi-track comping, real-time editing, and it supports for large sessions. Ableton is solid but leans more towards live performance and MIDI work. Number 3, MIDI capabilities. Ableton dominates in MIDI manipulation, instrument layering, and creative effects, while Pro Tools has improved MIDI, but it still lags behind in flexibility. Number 4, performance use. Ableton wins for live setups, beat making, and triggering samples on stage, while Pro Tool is better for post production and audio fidelity. Number 5, their pricing and licensing. Ableton offers standards and suite version with a one-time purchase, while Pro Tools is now mostly subscription-based, which may be costly in a long term. So if you are a producer, DJ, or an electronic artist, you can go with Ableton. But if you are doing a studio grade recordings or film scoring, Pro Tool is still your best choice. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.